The stuff you're allowed to put on YouTube is unbelievable.
Yeah.
I'm currently watching a live feeding of a
tegu.
Bro, this is not okay.
Oh my god. Yeah, those monitors are.
Does a person have this in their home?
Yes, they do.
This should not be legal. I'm all for limited government.
No, this is.
But someone needs to step in.
Then you're not a true libertarian.
Wait,
Big
what
T.
is it? What is it, Big T?
It's a what?
That's a tegu. It's
It
an
looks like
Argentine
a
black and
Komodo
white
dragon.
tegu. No, it's an Argentine black and white tegu.
It's a probably 6 foot long lizard that is just in this guy's Oh my! Oh, I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight. This thing is, and he puts it in his bathtub. Oh my! And then he throws just a rat into the bathroom. And he's standing there next to this lizard eating the head off a rat, just filming it.
Well, it's got to eat.
Yeah, Big T, sounds like you're in form of big tech censorship right now.
Are you?
No, not censorship. Just some sort of...
are you going to go take their lizards?
I think someone might need to take their lizards.
I think we need to form...
Oh my... I can't believe this on YouTube. I can't believe this is on YouTube.
Come take...
Look at this, dude.
Yeah, it's a rat being
Avery, look at this.
Yeah, you can't take our guns, but you can take our lizards.
No, well, people are going to use their guns to protect their lizards from the big government.
The only person that can stop a bad guy with a lizard is a good guy with a lizard. Sounds like you just have to get more lizards, Big T. Billy Eichner's producer wouldn't fuck with you if you had a lizard.
You need to buy more mice to load your lizard.
Billy Eichner's producer won't fuck with me ever again.
Let it be known.
He got dunked on.
Oh, yeah. No, there's some fucked up stuff on YouTube. I guess if it's about animals, you can put it on there.
I guess.
Oh, there's one very painful animal bite. I've seen like some lionesses hunting African buffalo, and they'll go right after the nuts from behind. So they'll come up from behind and just bite the ball sack, and then the animal just collapses and lays down. They're like, "Okay, I'm done. I'm done."
Yeah,
Just
that would
kill
do
me.
it. That would do it for me as well.
Please kill me right now.
Yeah.
Enough of the biting of the nuts.
This isn't biting, but getting attacked by an elephant. I've seen videos of that where they put the tusk through you or they just fucking step on you.
You've seen a video of someone getting tusked by an elephant and bailed?
Don't.
I've never even seen that.
I mean, don't put... just because I'm a girl, I can watch videos of people dying.
No, but where did you find that?
I don't know, YouTube or like Discovery Channel. I don't know. But like you've seen or
yeah.
my brother's shown me, I don't know, but like videos of people just getting ran through by elephants.
Oh.
I think I've just discovered the weirdest group of people on the internet.
Who?
People who comment on videos of animals ripping like rats limb from limb and snapping their neck on the technique of the humans who were feeding them. Such as Tim Jacobs, who commented on this video, excellent format of the open area, parentheses, bathroom. Oh silence is golden, and that chase was awesome. Hat tipped, sir. That guy is going to go kill someone.
Great kill room.
Yeah, this guy's a serial killer. And then the guy who posted the video said, "Happy to earn your accolades, TJ." These people, how is this allowed?
There's nothing wrong with taking videos of your animals eating.
Right, but isn't it a little bit weird to become a fan of those videos?
Yes.
To such a point where you comment on the technique
Yes.
of it? Hat tip, sir. He's doing like 2000s internet shit. Like, you have won the internet for the day, sir.
I found a worse one.
This is my favorite bit ever.
This is from _so_fucking_done_. Wow, awesome kill. What a beautiful lizard. The look of pure joy on his face when he saw the rat was so damn adorable. I get pinky rats and mice for my bearded dragons, Gizmo, Kilo, and Miko. These people should be in jail. This is why we have jail.
No, there's nothing wrong with feeding bearded dragons pinky mice.
What are pinky mice?
They're the baby mice that don't have hair.
I agree there's nothing wrong with it, but on the other hand, like, to become a fan of the genre,
Well,
it's not like you're really into jazz music or
What would happen if
You're not watching a guy play the piano and you're like, wow, that's like excellent left hand technique on that.
What would happen if you had some large frogs that used to eat mice?
I honestly don't know.
And there's.
Do you think that?
All right.
Do you think anybody that's a big fan of these feeding videos actually does not own any of the animals? They're just a fan of the death of the snuff films?
I think most of them.
So you
It's
know
like what they want.
Actually, we could go deeper into this. There is a community on the internet
Oh God.
that I have observed from afar. Who this is arousing to them.
What?
I've found them.
It's
Awesome documentary. I love watching these beautiful beasts hunt down their prey. Keep it up.
it was. I saw a Vice article about it.
This person should be in prison. He put the timestamp and then says that crunch is so satisfying. These people should be in prison.
They're like watching this for ASMR type stuff.
Now I have to go to the timestamp. He said 7:19. I'll hold it up to the.
Yeah. So
Are we? No, on what? YouTube that's already housing this content?
But
All right, here. Oh, this is gonna be. Oh wait, hang on. My bad. Oh! That was his neck, bro!
did you just play that?
Oh no! Oh, that guy's got to go to jail. The guy that commented that has to go to prison.
That was the satisfying neck snap.
Yeah. I can't believe this is on YouTube.
So wait, Billy, tell me more about this community that you've definitely infiltrated as an outsider and you're not an active part of.
No, I'm not.
yeah,
It's look,
we can't gloss over that.
Yeah, how do you get invited? How do you
No,
find
wait,
yourself
I
being a
found
lurker on these types of forums?
Billy, which one
Where
of
is
these
it?
was you that commented?
I will not reveal my username. Wait, let me find it. It was an article that ran that like, it's like, you know those videos of like the people making the huts in like pools with, or like making like the anaconda traps with the chicken, or like the eel traps.
Sure.
So, and you remember how they were found, like a lot of them were fake?
Yeah.
Like there was these YouTube accounts that were building these pools.
Yeah, I've seen those. Yeah.
Yeah, and then there's some of them where like there's an anaconda trap, and there's a lot of these kind of groups that seem like they're from the same area that have been making a lot of these YouTube videos of different things.
A guy that like sticks his hand into a hole in the ground and pulls out a giant snake.
Yeah, or pulls out eels.
Yeah.
So there's like in that sort of theme, there's like they just let a giant snake slither around people and like act like they're gonna eat it, and it's like a thing.
That's what they get off on?
Yeah.